Good evening. Actually, I wanted to make this video in the morning. That is a preferable time, but then I didn't get any time, so I thought that let's make it in the evening only. So before going to our real topic, I was thinking to show you some good flowers. These roses are coming up again, though the temperatures are really soaring high, but then these flowers are keeping one smiley. Okay friends, let's go to our real topic of today, which is how to grow succulent cuttings even in this weather. Actually, the preferable time for cuttings is always rainy season, but then there are a few types of cuttings which one can grow even in this weather. So these are some succulent kinds of cuttings. I'll just show you. See, these are these are baby sun rose. These are little succulent kinds of plants, and they look very good in hanging baskets, and they cover nicely some empty ground also, but in the hanging baskets they are the best. So I have already done some cuttings. These are few cuttings, so I'll keep them aside and show you how to plant them in hanging baskets and grow them. Before that, the most important part is soil. So in this soil, I'll show you. You see, these 3-4 ingredients are there. I hope you can see it. Yes, this is coco peat. This is about 35% in these kinds of plants, especially in hanging baskets. This is very important. This is about 35%. Sand is very less, about 20% only. Then this compost is very important. It is also about 30%. Then garden soil is also about 30%. Then little bit of fungicide I have put in this so that the plants don't get rot. So now we'll give it a thorough mix. Okay, this is done. So I have taken some cuttings of baby sun rose as I have shown you just now. These are some cuttings of purslanes. This plant is called purslane, and this comes in different colors. I have these yellow color, so I have taken cuttings of these. They grow about 40 centimeters high, and or spread 40 centimeters for that matter, and I'm going to grow these also in a basket. Then I have got these succulents also. The pot is kind of getting little constrained in this, so I'm going to take some cuttings from this also and grow in different basket. I've got this ceramic pot. I'll grow these in this. So here we have given a good mix to our soil. Very less garden soil is there, but more of coco peat, compost, little bit of sand, because sand I don't put much in baskets, because even sand makes it little heavy. So coco peat mix is the best mix. It keeps the soil moist also in summers, and it keeps the baskets light also. Okay friends, so here my soil is ready. So I'll pick up one basket. These are the baskets. This is the hanging basket, and I have covered the drainage holes in this. Now we'll put the soil mix in this. We'll cover the soil till here, almost 3/4, because these are cuttings and you don't have to push them too deep inside. So So this is done. Now we'll take these baby sunrose first. You see that this cutting, you have to pluck these lower leaves because we need this portion bereft of leaves, and I don't think we need any root hormone in these. If we keep these stems moist and the plant moist, they will grow well. One gone inside, then second one, then this is the third one. So similarly, we can make a lot of baskets of these sunrose baskets. They look very pretty hanging in your verandas, balconies, and little bit of shady area, and very nice small red flowers come in this. You see, yeah, there is one flower also. I'll show you this kind of flower. Sorry, I hope it is visible. It's getting little dark, I don't know. I hope it is visible. So this basket is ready, friends, and we just have to pour water in this till the time it comes out from the drainage holes. So it is done. Now we'll take the other plant. We can do this one. So we'll take some clippings from this. You see, the baby plants are also coming from these big ones, mother plants. So we can pluck even these and sow them again. So what we are going to do, we'll take out a few baby plants from this. See this one, two, three, four, 5, 6. About 6 baby plants we have taken. So we'll do the same process here also. We'll fill up this pot with this succulent soil. Almost till top we are going to fill it. And this will make a very nice tabletop plant also. The pot is nice, the plants are nice, the succulents look good, and it's a nice tabletop pot also. So simply by plucking the lower leaves again, we can just push it inside, like this. It's very simple, little skillful job it is. If one knows the proper way, it is very simple. Okay friends, you see this one? It's already looking so pretty. So similarly we are going to do a basket of this also. This is called purslane, and this will do in this the same way. I hope the process is clear. Okay friends, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and put some comments also. If there is any query about this, then please ask in the comment box. Okay, bye bye. Very nice evening to all of you. Thank you so much.